Okay, so this is what we got going on today. I'm going to take this thing apart. I don't think it's going to take a long time. Kind of looks like a spaceship part, but it's actually a pump of some kind. You can see this hose, some white powder that's coming out of this. From my understanding, is it just transferred this powder from one 55-gallon drum to another one, and the guys in our lab just threw this thing away because it wasn't working too good. It's all cast aluminum with the exception of these bolts, some of the other stuff. Then on the other side you can see that there's a little bit of brass. So I'm going to take this thing apart and get all the good stuff off of it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is get this hose off of here. Emptied some of the powder out of the hose. Don't know what it is. Don't intend on breathing it in if I can help it. Oh, man, this thing is awkward because it's flat or rounded on the bottom. Ah, mother man. I'm gonna kill myself over tape.
Order in the court.
I'm already cranky. I just started. They tried to make it work by putting 100 layers of duct tape around it. That's the only thing that was holding it. Got a new socket set to put on my drill, but nothing this big. This is 11/16. And this one's even bigger than 11/16. In fact, I think I'm going to get these ends off first before I do the middle part. I'm going to have to keep these bolts, nuts and bolts. Those are just big. Those are too nice to just scrap out. Oh boy. Going to need a wrench for that one. Drop the nut somewhere. Man, there's going to be crap blowing all over the place. Oh, am I going the wrong way? Come on now. This thing's a mother. Cumbersome. I'm wearing a mask right now because I don't know what this powder is. So it's kind of weird when I tip that over, this little ball was in there. Feels like plastic. Had some metal rings fall out of there though. These are light, definitely aluminum. This powder, this is ridiculous. It'll look like it's snowing. Okay, I think it's free, so let's see if powder goes everywhere. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm told this is an inert material, so it's not going to be harmful to the environment or anything, in case somebody was totally spazzing out. These little balls that are in here, don't know what they are, but oh, nice shot. Air filter of some kind. Is plastic. Nothing I can do with that. Okay, so I have to clean that brass up, but I will do that. Now, long bolts. These are some massive pieces of cast aluminum. Powder again. Okay, what kind of mess are we going to have when I open this thing? Wow, look at all that powder. a nut right there we got to get off. What's going on here? Another aluminum plate. Oh, how about that? I have to put it in the vise. What size do we need? It's a little loose. See what's in here. Okay. It's all gonna sound like a broken record, but cast aluminum, cast aluminum. This is all plastic here. Seal of some kind in here. Get that out. Alright, so I have one that fits the screws I got to do right now. And what's cool about this is also my new Craftsman. It's so nice. Just pull this out, stick it in, and then you're good. These bolts don't stand a chance. Look at that cast. It's a big chunk. Oh, put that in the vise. What's nice about these is, I know you got the long part, but if you really need to get down and torque it, they got it on the end of the handle too. Never thought I'd like an Allen wrench set so much. We'll have to check and see. This is probably just steel, these bolts, but never know. More rubber pieces, plastic. figure out how to get that out. There's a plastic something or another in there. And then we have to get this off. And then this is just a big chunk. Got to find the right one for this. There it is. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's really in there. Oh. Why? Why? A little plunger thing on a spring. Oh, sugar. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do there. Man, these suckers were on there hard. Okay. Find out. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of duct tape there too. Holy smokes. And then this is steel, so that's going to have to come out of there somehow. Okay, so if you remember, I couldn't get those. This is the whole reason why I got it impact. So, I found the right thing. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, a moment of truth. Oh, yes! It did work. Couldn't get it by hand. Uh-oh. Now she's stuck in there. How about that? Oh, man, it's going to get stuck every time. Why the f***? Oh my gosh. Big, humongous piece of cast right here. Nothing on it. Just straight cast. Get that off. Okay, pulled this thing out. Has a spring in there. This is just plastic. That's throwaway. Let's get these out. Another massive piece of cast aluminum with nothing on it. There you go. Spring out of there, throw away the plastic. Gotta get this thing out of here somehow. Okay, honestly, I never thought I would use this next tool. This is my grandpa's. He probably used this tool 60 plus years ago. Of course, he has passed away now. This was his. I had it up on my bench for looks, and we'll see if it works. Let's see. Oh, it works really nice, actually. I've never used one, so I didn't know that there was a particular direction to these things. I'll tell you, without this wrench, there's no way I would have got that out of there either. Yeah, see, that's steel, so that needed to come out. I'm going to grab the other one real quick and do that one. Let's see if it'll work with this tape on it. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, that thing is on there. Throw that in shred. And once again, thanks, Grandpa. That's awesome. All right, I'm done with that unit. Thank goodness, I've had that thing in my garage all summer long. I got some good stuff here. Let's go through what we ended up with. This is all shred. These bolts didn't have any nuts. I might keep them, we'll see, because I could probably sell them. Someone would just have to go buy some nuts to fit these. This is going to be prepared steel. I would think that some of these nuts and bolts would be prepared, but they don't want any nuts and bolts in prepared because it would bounce around on their table, they said. But this is a big piece that's solid. Got some brass right here. These little inserts that were on the back side of these. I did a little grinding on one, and it's brass. Then you got all this stuff, all solid cast aluminum. I don't know if this is cast. I don't know what this is, but it is aluminum, but I just don't know if it's cast or if it's sheet or what. But anyway, you're probably wondering, how much does all this weigh? Well, just for a cast, let's find out. Okay. I'm gonna put that tote on there. What do you guys guess? These are cast for sure. I don't think it's extruded either, but it's good aluminum. I'm going to put it in here. Let's see what we have. 39.8 pounds. I'll take these pieces out of here that I just put in because I know that everything in there is cast. So 38 pounds. Not bad. I love it. That's it, guys. Gotta update the number a little bit. I forgot that I had left this in the vise. Now this does have a plastic thingy in there. I'm gonna weigh that up, add that to the weight, so another 3.5 pounds. Let's give it 3 pounds to account for the little plastic piece in there. So whatever my amount was before, we're gonna add that to it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you subscribing. Please hit the notification button so you know when I have another one dropping. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me I'm an idiot, whatever, and then we will see you on the next one. Peace with bacon grease.